Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make YouTube thumbnails using the CapCut app. So let's just dive into it. First, you open the CapCut app, you click on new project, then we're going to select photos. Now let's look for photos. So as I said, we select the photo, which is a pink background. We add it. You can get any other color when you just go to Chrome and you just search for the background you want. I prefer the pink. So now you click on overlay, click add overlay. You add the picture that you want to use. So I'm adding this picture. So after adding the picture, you go straight to cut out. You can see cut out, the one with contact icon. Cut out, you click on it, you click on remove background. You see the background is being removed, but there's a little bit of flaw there, so we have to amend it. You click on the cut out stroke, then you click the style you want. Is it this style? Is it this style? Any of the style you want. So I'll click on this style. I can put it black, but this time I'm going to put it pink because my background is pink. I can reduce the intensity. You can see it. It's well blended now, so I can use it for my edition. So next thing you do now is you move your photo to anywhere you want it. I want it here, so this is for the photo selection. Then you add the text you want. So let's add how to I'm using this one. It's a thumbnail, so we'll need a very bold writing. Change the color. How to change the color to the background. Just any type, anyone you want. How to create a thumbnail. How to create thumbnail. How to create some. Using capcut. So any design you feel like using, any color you feel like using, but I'm using it because of sake of the tutorial. So anything you feel like using, you can use it. You can adjust it. So this is simply how to. Then you add your image. Don't forget, very important. You add your image, the CapCut image you want to use. CapCut image. Let's go with this one. You can resize it. So it how to create thumbnail using CapCut. As simple as that. Once you are done, you screenshot it. That's it. As simple as that. I hope you found this video helpful. So consider subscribing to our channel, like this video and comment. Thanks.